In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to recover deleted photos or videos on your iPad or iPhone. So if you have deleted some your videos and photos by mistake, I'll show you how to recover them. So to do that, first of all open your gallery guys, gallery app. Once you open this, now you have to tap on this option over here, this menu option over here. Tap on this and here you will be able to find this recently deleted option. So if you have deleted some photos and want to recover them, just tap on this option and tap on view album and verify your ID, and here you will be able to find guys your all deleted photos and videos recently you have. And if you have deleted from here, then you won't be able to guys recover. But if you haven't deleted from this folder, then you can recover by just holding the image and tap on recover. And yeah, this is how guys you can recover your images or photos on your iPad or iPhone. Subscribe to Mobily guys. Till then, bye bye.